For the CAT 2024 Quantitative Aptitude section, the key topics and their approximate weightage are as follows. Arithmetic, 36% of the section. Topics include percentages, profit and loss, averages, ratios, time and work. Time, speed, distance, simple and compound interest, and mixtures. Algebra, 28%. Important concepts include linear equations, quadratic equations, progressions, inequalities, and logarithms. Geometry and mensuration, 18%. Focuses on circles, triangles, polygons, coordinate geometry, and various formulas for areas and volumes. Number systems, 9%. Topics such as divisibility, factors, multiples, and HCF and LCM.